After the bracket caliper and the bracket caliper carrier have been removed, you can remove the disc. The disc is held by just one torque screw. It's a T30 torque screw. I think it should have been better if you remove this screw before you remove the bracket, because you can actually get a screwdriver into this hose and stop this disc rotating by the caliper carrier. And because I have removed the caliper and the carrier, so I just use a screwdriver getting through the wheel hole, and on this side just stopped by the hub. So I just get this screw out. So that's the screw for fixing the caliper. Maybe many years have not been removed. You see the rust. It's quite tight all the way. So if your disc is tight to the hub, you can use a rubber hammer to knock it out. And I just used a small hammer here and a wood, just a pad with a disc, and knock it out. And now I think we can just take the disc out.